welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. We are just few days away from Christmas and New Year, and I'm so excited because this month will be all about partying, doing makeup, getting dressed up, and yes, meeting my old friends. If you've watched my previous video, I've already mentioned there that this month I'll be only creating party makeup looks. So here today I am back again with this bold glam makeup look. Seriously, if you are someone who does not like bold and loud makeup, then you can seriously not watch this video. But yes, for those who really love bold and loud makeup, this video is for you. Do watch this video till the end to see how do I achieve this look. I'll also mention the list of the products used in the description down box below. You can check them out from there. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social websites. So yes, without much talking, let's get started. I've already prepped and moisturized my face. So moving to the eyes, I'm just gonna prime my eyes with NYKAA Photogenic Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I'll be using glitters, so I start off with the eyes because I seriously don't want glitters all over my face. And then taking my Morphe palette 35B, I take this shade and buff the eyelids in order to set my base so that it does not crease, and also my eyeshadow blends super smoothly. For the eyes, the whole look that I will be creating, I'll be only using these two palettes. One is Morphe 35B and another one is Makeup Revolution Reloaded Palette 2. Taking the brown shade, the universal transition color, I apply it on my crease with my small fluffy brush. Next, taking a shade darker than the transition color, I'll apply it just below the transition color in order to give an intense look. And then I keep on blending until no harsh lines are seen. Also, you can use any palette of your choice. Just remember to follow the steps that I will be showing here. Now mixing these two dark shades, I'll be using it in the inner and outer corner of the eyes and blend it around the edges so no harsh lines are seen and it looks seamless. Since I'm doing Hello Eye makeup, I take the same concealer and apply it in the middle of my lids. This step is quite important if you're doing Hello Eyes because it will help me to clean the area where I want to put the glitter on. Taking this light golden shimmer shade, I pat it on the concealed area of my lids so that it acts as a base for my glitters. Taking my KRYOLAN glitter glue, I evenly apply on the lids where I want my glitters. For glitters, I'm using EYECANDY glitters in the shade Silver, and with my thin flat brush, I apply it on the middle of my eyelids where I just have applied the glue. If you are not a glitter person, then you can always use a shimmery shade to highlight your halo area. Next, taking this dark black shade from the same Morphe palette, I go on and apply it in the inner and outer corner of my eyes just to intensify the look and also to blend it with the glitters. Taking my clean wet wipes, I easily clean off the fallout from the shadows. Then moving to the face quickly, I'm using my PAC HD liquid foundation in shade 1 and blend it all over my face. Using the same concealer for my highlight, I highlight my under eye area, bridge of my nose, and also my forehead. This step will help me to uplift the uplifted areas of my face since these are the highest point.
Holding on to these dreams, I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been
Now to set my base, I am using KRYOLAN translucent powder in TL4 and buff it all over my face in order to avoid creasing. Coming to the contour, I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer Contour in the shade Toast and apply it on the areas which I want to sculpt. Generally they are hollows of my cheeks. And then to set them in, again I use Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. Coming to the blush, I am using NYKAA Duo blush in the shade Brazilian Bombshell and then gently apply them on the sides of my cheeks. Coming to the highlight, I'll be using BH Cosmetic Nude Rose palette and take this shade and apply very little amount on my cheekbone and my cupid bow and also my nose. I have used very dark colors for my eyes and my lips. I'll be keeping highlighter and blush very little so that my makeup does not look too gaudy. Coming to the lower waterline of my eyes, I'll be using these two dark shades and apply few strokes of it to create a smoke out look. Moving to the lips, I am using this dark bold matte NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Los Angeles.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call, I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back.
So here I am done with this look.
When the only focus is me, me and weightless, got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams, I'm ready to take the lead.
If this video was helpful for you and you enjoyed watching it, then please do not forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my channel. So until we meet next time, bye.